So today we're going to take a look at LTC. We can see that currently LTC is the #1 token that is being most viewed on CoinMarketCap, the most trending token right now. That's Litecoin LTC. So today we're going to analyze it and we'll see if we can make some gains with this token. So if we go directly to the Litecoin chart, I started on the 2-week time frame. I wanted to see what was happening, and it's really good for Litecoin. So we've indeed formed a bullish double bottom pattern. And here, for sure, on the indicator side, it's perfect. The best entry was right here on the vector, which brought us upwards. Just that alone is a gain of 127%. That's very good. So then there's a pullback that is on the indicator. You see clearly that the indicator worked well. We bounced on the indicator, we pushed towards the middle of the candle, the vector. We're going to form a top, which becomes the all-time high. Remember that too. Here it also overlaps with the old resistance dating back to 2022. We reached a new high at 146.99. We pushed back to the indicator. Look also that the core of the candle has arrived, bounced, and here we are. We have a doji candle. This gray candle right here, it's a decision candle. And why? Because you see there are long wicks on each side. We bounced. We're going to retest the high or pull back a bit. In my opinion, we're heading towards 153.53 to retest. If we zoom down to the daily chart to see, because in fact, we're looking for a good entry. Our high is here. In fact, still our bullish double bottom. This is on the daily. We come back. We can pull back to the middle of the candle. We push up. This area here, it's going to be a resistance. We'll see, testing it. If we want to break through, if we recap what happened in the past, to